What is up, guys? Shady Tech here, and today we're going to look at the Amazfit GTR. That this just came in the box, and this is the packaging. Oh, actually, this is not packaging. This is the package from Korea, which is post Laju from Malaysia. With some Malay code here. I think I'm gonna. Well, let's just translate it real quickly. Please, bro. Postman, please, Mr. Postman, handle this package with care. If the package is broken, I'm gonna get sacked from my job or get fired. Thank you very much, Mr. Postman, which is really handsome and good looking. Wow. Nowadays, huh? Even such a funny and kind of okay, the actual packaging with some nicely wrapped wrapper on here. Let's just open this up real quick. Right, let's see what the seller gave me on this thing. Appears to be a Xiaomi series, Amazfit GTR screen protector. Oh, this is really nice. The seller apparently gave like a free. Oh wow, first crash on the box. Oh my gosh. Not doing so well, huh? Well, anywho, maybe we'll just quickly see this screen protector a little bit here. Let's see what this all about. The usual wipes, which is dry and wet wipes. Oh, you got two of them. Wow, that's pretty nice. Oh, this is the kind of like a glass, tempered glass kind of glass. I thought it's just kind of like a usual screen protector, like a clear screen protector, but this is really nice. And two of them actually. Wow, good setup. So yeah, this is the box itself. From the front side, this particular model is a silver stainless steel, Amazfit GPS plus GLONASS. See what we got down here. AMOLED display, continuous heart rate, water resistant up to 50 meters. I'm sorry. Multi sports modes, smartphone notifications, long lasting battery. All you got is written here, and yeah, stainless steel. From the back, you got a bunch of descriptions and specs. 2019 Huami. Huami is actually owned by Xiaomi, another different divisions, which is they are more known for doing smartwatches. And yep, let's open the box. Careful, slowly but surely. Gonna put the box aside first. Holy moly, look at that beauty. Oh, that kind of rhyme. Well, alright, so the presentations from the front move beautifully. I think I'm gonna put oh, are you gonna come out? Yes, no, yeah, okay. You're gonna put this on the side. Let me just put the scissors at the side first also. Pull the strap here and it will nothing else in the box. And what else we got from the box? Let's see. So on the right side, I'm going to the right first. You got user menu in a lot of different languages, seems. Product manual del producto, some Russian words, and so on. 155 pages of them. Alright, so this is supposed to be the docking part itself, and it comes with with a black color. It's pretty nice. Black color, with a USB port. That's it, pretty much it from the box. Simple and yet elegant. Alright, so let's quickly, oh, this is the finish of the sticker. Put it aside first. Alright, so there you go. Front stainless steel. On the right side you got two like physical button that you can press. On the upper you kind of have like a reddish kind of tone to it on the bottom here. On the bottom it's kind of rotatable, even both of them is rotatable, which doesn't do anything actually, you just can, you know, endless loop of rotating. On the left side we got nothing. See around, because this comes with a brown leather strap with a silicone. Let me just check this out first. Should I wear this? Yeah, I think better if I just wear it first. Now, does it fit well with my hand? I have pretty normal size, I guess. Normal size to smaller size kind of hand, wrist, I mean. And it fits nicely with a three more holes to spare. Nice and fit. Okay, there you go. Looks nice. 47mm is on a little bit of a bigger size, but I think it still fits pretty nicely on my wrist. Okay, I'm gonna take this first boot up. Hopefully got some juice. Amazfit, yeah, it does have some juice. Great. Download the app binding watch. Okay, so I got a phone here, and let me just quickly go to okay, QR barcode. So I'll be setting these things up. Like, okay, next, agree. Amazfit apps, Huami Sports. So just it's a really nice looking out. On the bottom here, on the bottom here you've got the heart rate sensors and these two little dock here for the charging port, it seems. And an easy take on and take off of the strap. You just pull this and it will come off rather easily. Silicone or rubberish kind of strap here. Open the apps. Alright, let's see what's up. Sign in or sign up. Oh boy. Okay, so over here you got add device. You just press watch, GTR. Turn on Bluetooth on the camera. After that, finally, download apps. Every now, finally. Takes quite a long time to pair, it seems. No. Damn it. I. Okay, finally I was able to get this running and connected and everything. So well, it has 57% now, so we'll quickly go through what you got from the phone of the interface here. The first one, of course, you have the watch interface settings, and you got a bunch of them. and there's much which is shown like I already like try a couple of them, but this is what you got here. Okay, let's go back. And the second one, you got the unlock screen, so you can go to the settings and set if you want to use the phone to unlock. Set up screen unlock, tap smart control. Okay, for the third one is incoming call, if you want to use a phone to answer or reject call through your phone. Of course it doesn't have speaker or anything, so it can actually use this to call, but it can only call or cancel the call. And the fourth one, you got event reminder, where you can set manually. Next one, you got the watch alarm, and I think you can edit some kind of ringtone to it. Oops. App alert. Okay, you can switch this on to see what kind of apps they give you, like notifications and stuff like that. Idle alert is on. Idle alert, watch will vibrate if inactive lasts for 1 hour, so it will become idle if it's not like used or anything like that. More, and you got all these kind of things. Incoming SMS off, Google Gold notification is on. So this is by the default settings. I didn't change anything on or anything like that. And down below we got even more. Find watch discoverable, active heart rate sharing. You can turn this active on, but of course it will drain battery life if you turn it on continuously. And band location is either on the left wrist or right wrist, and of course here I put it on the left here. As you can see, this is the stock watch interface here. The next one, you got, if you want this watch to run in the background, I'm using an Honor phone now, and this is like run on the background at the moment. You can change it manually, of course. And of course you got even more. Oh, this is like how the watch looks like from here. Okay, go back. Vibration, on which kind of a vibration. Either it can be normal, default, or custom. You can customize the kind of vibration you have. Mirror radar, you can set to which city you want here. Pairing restriction, set to restriction. This is more to which kind of phone you want to pair to. Start week on, I guess this is something to do with like a weekly kind of things, to track your activity, walking and doing exercise and whatnot like that. Check for update. So my firmware currently is like the latest, and it's running on 1.3.4.14. Check for update. No update available. Alright, that's pretty much it, what you can get from the phone and from the watch itself. So this is the app, they are stock. If you swipe left, you got the steps. I have on today 1,800 or whatever. It's estimated at 1.2 kilometer. That's pretty few. And beep measuring, not wearing it now. So you only got like 3 page. If you keep swiping, that's pretty much it. Press this long and you can switch between only 2. This is the one you download, and this is what I download here, and this is another one of its own. This is more to digital, the other one is more to analog. Okay, the one I download is pretty good though. You got all the notifications, the steps, the bitrate, barrier, and whatnot. Okay, so if you swipe down, you of course got the notification bar, some sort of notification bar. This is for the flashlight. And then the second one is auto brightness. You can either manual, all the way up or down, or auto if you like. And this is the do not disturb enable, time smart do not disturb, do not enable. Turn on the battery saver and the watch will only record steps and sleep. And of course this is screen lock. Alright, that's pretty much it. And if you swipe from below, you got the kind of like a menu, apps menu here. Status, of course, once again you got the steps count. You cannot swipe left or right. The second one is heart rate, workout. Of course, workout you get a bunch of options here, like outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, indoor cycling, open water, pool swimming, elliptical trainer, climbing, trail running, skiing, exercise. What you got from exercise actually? Oh, you got a bunch of stuff here. That's good. You gotta swipe left to go back, apparently. Activity, no history there. Weather, music. Music doesn't have a built-on memory on it, so this is actually streamed from your phone. What you got from your phone, you can just stop, play, and resume, or something like that through your phone music app. Next one is notification, alarm, event, reminder that you can see. Oh, you got a compass here. Calibrate by walking 8-second shape. Okay, you got a timer, countdown, kind of like a timer. Find mobile, you got to turn on the GPS for that thing. Watch face, of course this is the, oh wait, watch face, screen on duration, you can change it to slow. The quickest only 5 seconds and all the way to 15 seconds. Quick startup, always on display, and system. Regulation, reboot, shutdown, factory reset. Okay, that pretty much cover all the settings and whatnot. I'm gonna wear this again to show you guys again. If you have like a much larger or media hand, there's no problem as well. As you can see, my kind of like a medium to skinny size hand has three hole remain, and you can go all the way to here. So I guess if you're like really obese, you can still wear this, or skinny, of course you can still wear this, no problem. Or you can always like change to other wrist strap. I think this is like 22mm strap, can't be too sure, but I think that's it. Of course you got a little bit of Amazfit brand in here on the holder of the strap. Alright, that's it. That's pretty much it. Silver finish, nice elegant looking watch. And this is Amazfit, brought to you by Tech. And I'll see you guys again real soon. Peace out, guys.